Real 5-minute makeup starts now. We are gonna use NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. So, nag-prep na po ako ng skin ko using the Genifique Serum and itong MAC Serumizer. Naglagay din ako ng sunscreen, which is ito, Biore. I don't know how you read it, parang Biore ata siya. And then, nag-primer tayo, Laura Mercier Illuminating Pure Canvas Primer. Okay. Ang shade ko pala dito sa NARS ay Fiji. Okay. So, buff, buff, buff. I press, press, press. Buff. Okay. So, non-stop po ito. Walang cut. Para makita lang natin kung posible ba talaga. All of the items that I am using can be bought in Lazada. At ngayon pong 99 ay merong mega brand sale. And of course, meron akong pa-discount sa inyo. Thank you, Lazada, sa discount vouchers. Merong up to 1,500 pesos na discount. Grabe ha, 1,500 pesos. Meron ding 250, ganyan, etc. Okay, after this, we are gonna use blush. Ano ang gagamitin kong blush? Etong MAC. We are gonna use this MAC. This is Blush Please Glow Play Foundation. Tapos itong salamin ko, Tom Ford. Okay, spread it evenly here. Put it high on the cheeks for a lifted face effect. Okay, 3 minutes! Mas prefer ko ang cream blush dahil tayo po ay oily skin. Kasi I wanted that glow finish. Glowish, dewish finish. And on the bridge of the nose. Okay. And for the next step, ay concealer ang gagamitin natin. I could use Innisfree. Or I can also use NARS Creamy Concealer. Pero parang kulang sa... Oh my God, what's that? Pero parang kulang sa spotlight itong Innisfree. So, I'm gonna use that. Ah, naku, we only have 2 more minutes. Ang daldal po natin. Okay. Innisfree Concealer. Tiny bit lang. This is Light Fitting Concealer. Where's my concealer brush? Okay, concealer brush. We only have 1 minute left. Okay, bakit parang sa mga napapanood ko, parang easy lang sila tayo natataranta. Again ha, ngayong 99 po, meron tayong discount code sa Lazada. Ilalagay ko po yung link dyan. Meron akong microsite dyan, may mga product recommendations ako dyan. Tapos dito yung makukuha yung napakaraming vouchers natin. Okay, then after that, we are gonna set it with powder. This is NARS Light Reflecting powder. On the T-zones lang. I don't need on the cheeks dahil dry naman tayo. Dry skin. We only have 1 minute left. Okay, then after that, we are gonna use mascara. Mascara, etong L'Oreal for high impact. Lalo na pag manipis naman yung pilik mata like me.
Mom, everything my iced tea.
No, baby. I think you're done drinking it. O, di ba naninita pa yung tatay?
Iced tea.
And to make my eyes look bigger, maglalagay din tayo sa lower lash line. Okay, fast. Last step, eto. Ang dami kong lipstick. Ito na lang gagamitin natin. Oh, no. Parang I want the Tom Ford na lang para mabilis. This is bulletproof ng Tom Ford. Okay, there you go. Meron pang 13 seconds left. Parang pwede pa tayo mag-highlighter. Wait lang po, mabilis lang. Baka umabot naman. Wala na akong makitang highlighter brush. Ito na lang. This is Tevian. There you go, 3 seconds. Sakto. Pwede pa tayo mag-spray ng pabango. So, I'm going to use tobacco vanilla ng Tom Ford. And I'm gonna layer it with cherry smoke. Tom Ford as well. Yan. So, ito pong mga items na to ay nasa last mall ng Lazada. So, you are sure na you will be getting authentic items. So again, i-check niyo po yung link ko dahil marami akong vouchers na ipamimigay dyan. Simula September 8 until September 11.